Best VHS Camera.
Number 1.
Panasonic VHS Camera. The VHS Camera by Panasonic offers a great alternative to traditional film. VHS technology is admired for its unique strengths, it's more compact than film and takes no longer to boot up, while the quality of recordings remains high. With its simple operation and pleasant design, the new VHS camera is a good choice for beginners too.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2.
Sony VHS Camera. The famed Sony VHS camera was one of the most reliable and durable video cameras available at the time. Built to last a lifetime, this classic home video camera produces crisp, clear footage with its 6.8mm wide-angle lens. With exceptional audio and optical zoom capabilities, you can capture your family's favorite moments every time. This Sony VHS video camera has a full range of automatic functions and is supplied with accessories. It has a smooth spin barrel lens with a fixed 3x viewing angle for easy alignment, and it's cleverly designed to reduce wear on your hands and arms when you're shooting. Make your videos come alive with vivid color and detail. Sony's VHS camera can capture vivid images in HD.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3.
Bjianger VHS Camera. The Bjianger VHS camera is the ideal product for passionate film enthusiasts who want to protect their favorite memories. The innovative design of the Bjianger VHS camera protects your tapes and records from damage while also looking stylish on your desk or in your car. The Bjianger VHS camera is a compact and portable VHS to DVD recorder, which can record onto any of the digital format VHS tapes. The 19 inches housing is made out of durable steel and features a beautiful curved edge with easy access opening. It's extremely portable, so you can take it almost anywhere to capture all your great moments, even on vacation.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4.
Cerri VHS Camera.
Cerri VHS Camera is a high-quality camera with professional features. It is easy to use, reliable and has an excellent battery life. It can shoot full HD videos and capture still images in JPEG format. Its ability to record videos from the field or from behind the scenes makes this product an ideal choice for productions such as weddings, graduations, parties and more. The Cerri VHS camera is a great help for any family who wants to capture their memories and moments from the past. It is extreme. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.